Hey, what's up everybody? This is McCargo Jr., the brand ambassador of Cook's Essentials QVC. I hope you're looking forward to the holiday season because I'm looking forward to sharing this amazing funked out recipe that I came up with. What I have here is a bone-in rib roast, and it's a nice size with a nice even cap. You can see the bones. So I call this my jalapeno popper stuffed prime rib. So what I did was I took some jalapenos and I gutted out the seeds, and then I took me some pepper jack cheese and some cheddar cheese, and I just cut them into like a batonette or like a, I guess a French fry style look. And then I really just wanted to show you that when you get these, you can seed them or leave them unseeded, depending on how much you want. And you can take this cheese and really just smash it into these jalapenos the best you can. Now, I tend to want to get the smallest pieces of cheese and the smallest jalapenos so I can squeeze it in. So make sure you break off the cheese and make it just adaptable to just stuffing these peppers, because you know jalapeno popper is just really a jalapeno stuffed with cheese. And you can see I left me some pepper seeds in here because I want some spicy ones as well. And the trick to your cheese is to make sure that you freeze your cheese prior to stuffing so that your cheese will somewhat hold up inside of your roast while it's roasting. Now I'm gonna roast this prime rib in a 500-degree oven, preheated, in my Cook's Essentials Dutch oven on a rack. So I have my rack here, and I'm gonna actually show you how we're gonna stuff this cheese, season it, tie it, and then it's gonna go in the oven, and you'll see what it looks like when it comes out. So I have my still here. If you don't have a still, go ahead and get yourself a sharp knife. Now I'm just poking some holes here. Yes, this is the trick to this. Then I'm gonna go cheese down and force this whole pepper and the cheese right into this hole. Don't worry, folks, use your fingers and force it in here. And if the pepper breaks up, it's okay, because what's gonna happen as this meat cooks, it's gonna tighten up around this pepper. I'm just gonna force it that way. Now I'm gonna flip it over. Remember those holes from the other side? Widen it open with my finger. And this is gonna be the best part, getting a nice big fat one in here. Now I got me my seasoning here. Now I'm gonna go with my favorite seasoning. You can do your favorite seasoning and just give it a really good rub down. And this pepper's trying to come out the party. Come back in there. And get the seasoning all over. And I'm also using my Cook's Essential silicone mat. And then we wanna take our butcher's twine. We're gonna lay this here, and I'm gonna lay another piece. Get a nice little good twist on this. Same thing with this one right here. You could buy this butcher twine at your local supermarket. It's nothing really hard to find. And this pepper is determined not to stay in the party. So what I wanna do is trim off this extra string, just like this. And I'm talking about really simple, easy, exciting something new for the holidays instead of your traditional, you know, just regular old rib roast. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my rack here, just like this. And this rack with this roast on it is gonna go into my Dutch oven, 5-quart Dutch oven pot, which is gonna allow it to hold the heat. We can heat it up at high temperatures, and it's really gonna give me a nice crust and a nice texture and keep that nice moist juiciness on the steak and the steak. But the exciting part is that I have one ready for you. So I'm gonna remove all this off my board, take off the lid, and of course I had this resting. And I'm gonna take this out and trim off those ropes, strings. And when I talk about having that jalapeno flavor inside of your roast, I'm sure it's gonna surprise somebody for the holidays. I'm sure someone's gonna be excited about this. As you can see, we got this nice crust. And yes, you could have probably did this in any other pan, but because I was looking to use something that's gonna hold up to that high intense heat, I chose my Cook's Essentials Dutch oven. And now, the best part, I'm cutting this off the bone. That's gonna be someone's, look at this right here. You see the jalapenos there? Oh my gosh, look at that, folks, tender, juicy, delicious, and loaded. Look at the juice. Look at the jalapenos. And look at the taste. So this is your boy, Aaron McCargo Jr., Cooks Essentials QVC. You can't miss out on this dish. Enjoy the holidays. Peace.